upon a time, a beautiful big fairy born a baby with small little wings, a beautiful smile. There was 4 babies. The mother fairy was very happy. The 4 fairies were playing around, getting a happy day. When they go to school, they're always nearby, never going apart. And then when the 4 kids were sleeping, an evil witch took them all away. In the morning, the mother fairy was waiting her babies, waiting so badly. But when she take out the blanket in the room, she was surprised that the baby's kids were gone. But the kids were still sleeping. They don't think they need to go to school. But when they woke up, they were surprised that the fairy mother was not a fairy. It was a scary, evil fairy. The wings were threaded out. The wings were ugly, very painful, with pain, fires around her. She had evil power. She don't like bright colors. She loves to kill other fairies. But she don't know why these 4 kids were very beautiful, very kind. But she was not trying to kill them anyways. So the evil witch put them in a big tower, long, long away. No stairs, no doors, no elevators, nothing. But the 4 little fairies were little princes now. They were happy, lived, not even crying. When a golden tear comes out, means it's time for them to glow in the beautiful night. And then the kids grown their hair very long. It was very beautiful. In a castle, they were stuck. But there is 4 stuffs. A bathroom, a living room, a bedroom, and they could live here good. No one should ever come to that tower. It was made by thorny bushes. Excuse me. Right. But the 4 kids managed to be alive. They fall down in the thorny bushes, but then die. Once a little scratch healed up very fast. In no time, not even 1 second. Because they were magical, very powerful.